how to buy Bill token. So this token came under the symbol of B. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following their updates about this token. And don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screen. It's created 2 days ago and increased by 100,000% in the last 24 hours. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your BITGET wallet. For that, as you can see, now from the top right corner, click here and select the BNB chain network. Now click on this plus icon and paste tokenization in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this is our token. Now, before going and add this token to your wallet, make sure to read that warning before going and add it to your wallet. Now, click on this plus icon. Now, go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called B. Now, after you find it, now click this. So after that, click here on swap. Now you can switch it from here. Now from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And now you can type how much you want to buy. And this is how much you will be able to receive per token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy B token. If you find it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.